I was just sent this ultra clear MagSafe case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro from Juntone to review, so let's take a look. This is a 16N magnetic case, so it's gonna work with any Google MagSafe accessories and wireless charging. It offers full transparency with UV resistant, blue anti-oxidization, and anti-yellowing coating. We've got 10-foot military grade drop protection, 360-degree shock absorbers in the corners, a 2mm raised bezel to protect the camera lenses, and 1mm raised lip to protect your screen. We've got a PC back that's very strong yet flexible with microdot laser tech and TPU bumpers. The buttons are clear and covered. The ports are open. It's a really nice feel. The back is super smooth. The sides are a little bit grippier. It's gonna go in and out of your pocket really nicely because it is so slim. If you're looking for a crystal clear MagSafe slim case for your Google Pixel 8 Pro, this is an amazing one from Juntone.